Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and today I have awesome news to share with you guys. And the news that I'm going to share with you guys today, I'm sure you guys gonna love it. And if you guys are jailbroken and you guys been having problem, and so I have really awesome news for you guys. And now before we start this video, let me ask you guys to please subscribe to my channel and also smash that bell icon so you guys get notified when I drop a next video. So now that's out of the way, let's get this video started. And let me show you guys. So first thing first, and I'm gonna go to my photo album. So as you guys can see, it was posted on the, I took a screenshot from my Twitter, but as you guys can see, ZiniTevi Steam movie for jailbreak devices. If you have these problems, open setting from iPhone, then ZiniTevi app will be displayed. Open Bluetooth from iPhone, then ZiniTevi app will be displayed, and so on. Please reinstall the fixed version 1.3.1 again. Give us the feedback. So the developer of this tweak, he updated the ZiniTevi, and now it's working much better than before. And I'm gonna show you guys on my device. And what we're gonna do, we're gonna go to Cydia, and now once we go to Cydia, I'm gonna go to install recent, and as you guys can see right there, this is the ZiniTevi. And if I open it up, as you guys can see, the latest version is 1.3.1, and app for streaming movies series on iPhone iOS, iPad iOS, Android phone, Android box device. It will be more wonderful when you want to watch on TV with your family, as Apple TV, Smart TV, Fire Stick, or all these different devices. Now this been updated, and as you guys can see, add the this repo to your Cydia repo to install them. Now if you're jailbroken, and then you can install this. I'm gonna leave the repo and the ZiniTevi tweak in the description below, so you guys can just copy and paste from there. As you guys can see right now, if I click on modified, and as you guys can see, it's asking me to reinstall. So I'm not going to do it because it's already installed on my device. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to go to my Springboard, and as you guys can see right there, this is the ZiniTevi application on my Springboard. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on this, and it's once they open up, as you guys can see right there, I play all these movies. I didn't watch all the way, but I was just testing it, and let me tell you guys, it's working much better than before with this updated version. So let's go to this one, Disney, and let's scroll a little bit, and let's pick this one right here. And all you have to do, watch now, and once you hit that, you're gonna get this pop-up. And once you get this pop-up, you get the X on the top left corner, and bam, it's going to start playing. And there you go, the movie have started. So it's awesome. There is no so I'm gonna stop it right now just for the copyright. And as you guys can see, this movie is from 2006, and it's working just fine. And if you click on this option right here, it kind of zoom in and zoom out, and also you have the this option. You can do 15-second backward or the forward with these, and also you can scroll with the scroll bar wherever you want to put it, and then right there it's playing. So I mean, it's let me tell you guys, it's awesome update. And also, if you want to play on your TV or your laptop or anything that is connected to your device, all you have to do, see that icon on the right, on the top right corner, all you have to do, click on that, and whatever the, as of right now, you guys can see, I have Samsung TV, and I can just click on that and it will send to that TV, and then you can watch movie on your TV, laptop, or whatever the device you're using. So as you guys can see right there, it is a full movie. It's 2 hours 30 minutes and 40 seconds. So now we're gonna exit from here, and then I'm gonna go to the next one. Let's scroll a little bit down, and let's say we want to watch, I don't know, Tarzan right there, and all you have to do, hit watch, and just exit out. I mean, it's still got the ads, but it's better. So as of right now, it go in landscape, and right there, and there you go, bam, it's playing. So I mean, it's just that I know I made a video on this before, but I'm making this video again because there's an update for this application, and just want to bring it out to you guys. And also, as you guys can see on this page, you have the option to download this movie, and it will download on your device, and then you can watch it when you don't have access to the network, or you don't have the internet, and you're like on the road and you don't want to waste your data. You can download while you're at home, and then you can watch it without internet or without any data. And also, the third option I want to talk about is right there. It's a share button. So what you can do, click on this, and then you have option to you can share on the Facebook, any social media or any contact that you have, you can share. And also in the bottom, as you guys can see, you get the similar movies recommended, and then also you can see who's in that movie that you're watching. It's really awesome, really nice, and I highly recommend you guys downloading this and checking out if you haven't downloaded it yet. So now if I go hit home, and then you can do a Sony picture, and as you guys can see, let's say you guys want to watch the Spider-Man for Far From Home, just click this, watch, and you get this pop-up. And then what you can do, just exit out of this, and the minute you exit out of that, bam, there you go. It takes only like 5 to 10 seconds, and your movie start playing. So I mean, normally there's no buffing. The quality of these movies are awesome, and they're really nice, and I highly recommend you guys really checking it out. So as you guys can see, this is the Spider-Man Far From Home, and look at the quality of it. Awesome videos. So yeah, I mean, if you guys, and also you do have the TV shows in here, and as you guys can see right there, and then you have this all the TV shows. And let's say I'm gonna play one really quick. So let's say we want to pick this one right here, and then what you can do, you can go to a season, click on this, and then right there you're gonna have all the seasons, and or you can hit watch, and it will play. So now if I go to DG right there, and as you guys can see, you got the movies, and then on the top right corner, as you guys can see, that you got the movies, and then you got the TV shows. If you click on TV shows, there's nothing under this category yet, because I guess the developer is still updating, and DreamWorks. And we go to TV shows. As you guys can see, you got all these TV show under here. So this is really nice, really awesome, and must-have application for TV shows and the for movies. So if you guys have any question or any any concern, please let me know in the description below, and I will get back to you guys as soon as possible. Thank you for watching, and again, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also smash that bell icon so you guys get notified when I drop a next video. And I'll see you guys in the next one.